Hey, if you want to use multiple apps at the same time on the Realme 12 5G, for sure you can do this thanks to the split screen mode and the floating window mode. First, let's open apps in the split screen mode. Let's do this, for example, with the YouTube and with Gmail. Now open background apps, click on these three dots of each application and select split screen. Then select this second application. And now you have to open the background apps one more time and click on the three dots and select floating window mode. So as you can see now, we can use this application or we can use this split screen. And as you can see, when you do this, we can actually use the free apps right now. So this is actually how you can get the free apps at the same time on your Realme 12 5G. And if you wonder if you can open another application in this floating mode, let's quickly check this, guys. So let's check if the Google files actually support this mode. Yeah, it does. But as you can see, in the floating mode, we can use only one application. There we go. So that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.